Your airbrush tanning system comes to you as the most complete, easy to use, and portable system available in the industry today. The design organizes your custom sunless tanning system with everything you need to have easy access at your fingertips.
Your natural bronze system includes deluxe attaché case with rolling wheels and telescoping handle, AC 2000 air compressor, 2 applicators with flow rate lock setting, all of your custom natural bronze air mist solutions in 4-ounce applicator bottles, 8-ounce refill bottles, and additional 32-ounce bottles of natural bronze air mist. Coiled application hose, 4 applicator adapters, 8-ounce Oxy Natural exfoliating pre-tan body wash, 8-ounce Oxy Natural body nourishing aftercare moisturizer and tan extender, natural bronze touch-up kit, natural bronze training manual, natural bronze DVD video, marketing brochures, advertising slicks, and national advertising support. To set up your natural bronze air mist system, you will want to unpack your equipment and supplies and put all of the products in the case fittings following the placement diagram included. Once arranged in order, you'll want to place your case on a flat surface and open to display your compressor, all of your arranged solutions and products needed for tanning. Just be sure that it is placed on a secure, balanced, or low surface to prevent an accidental fall during application. Next, you will want to plug the cord into a 110 outlet, making sure that the compressor is turned off. A grounded extension cord may be needed if the distance to the outlet makes the cord pull tightly. Take the coiled hose and screw the large coupling to the connection on the compressor, and make sure that it is just snug enough to prevent air escape in the connection when turned to the on position. Unwrap your applicator and connect to the small coupling at the far end of the hose. Make sure that the threads of the applicator are level before you screw on the connection. You only need to connect to a snug fit. Remove the metal tip cover by gently pulling off in an outward direction. Do not remove by screwing off. Place in case compartment so that it isn't lost. You can have the reassurance of having 2 applicators with your system as a backup to any possible problems. When your applicator is attached, consider it a part of your airbrush. Do not remove it unless you are doing your monthly cleaning. This will help avoid potential damage to connection threading from excessive handling. Screw on one of the adapters to a mixing bottle filled with water. This is the bottle you will practice airbrushing with on a paper surface or towel while you become comfortable with the airbrush application mist. Holding the applicator in your hand as you would hold a pencil between your thumb and middle finger, press down on the trigger with your index finger, not your thumb, while pulling the trigger back at the same time. When you just press down, you will only have airflow. When you push down and pull back at the same time, you will start the flow of product mist. The further back you pull the trigger, the more tan mist comes out of the applicator. You can try it with plain water and practice on a towel or skin as you learn the feel of the product mist. You will want to have a nice, light, controlled spray flow. The flow rate that you are comfortable with can be adjusted. You can set and lock this preferred level of mist by turning the control lock at the back of the applicator. This helps you from pulling the trigger back too far and spraying too heavy or wet while you get comfortable with application technique. You always want to keep the airbrush about 8 to 10 inches away from the skin and move the airbrush flow in a smooth circular pattern as you begin to make even spray passes from side to side. Make sure to overlap your spray with each pass. Once you get everything set up, it is easiest to leave it set and to only pack it for travel. Just be sure to clean the airbrush well after each use by spraying cleaning solution through it and then spraying all of the cleaning solution clear of the airbrush to leave clean for the next tan. Space requirements for the application are relatively minimal. An area slightly larger than a small closet where you can move around the client or have them turned comfortably can work. Natural bronze solutions and products do not stain tile, grout, and countertops. Wall surfaces should be considered to help keep long-term cleaning as easy as possible. Flat porous wall paint can pick up color with time. If you are designing a permanent mist area, there are additional hints in the training manual.
Most people like to use the shower for their tanning application. Why? Because it makes the cleanup much easier. Next, you want to be sure that your area provides the best natural lighting. You want to be able to see your tanning application process.